Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Look at this stuff. Thick, creamy and very well hydrated. Today we got the PAA shave with my Amber Aerolite. PAA. Now this one I haven't used as yet. This one being Sundown. Straight away you can see this is a very thick, creamy. I've put a ton of water, about a third of a cup of water, and it's still that thick and creamy, beautiful stuff. And this is just the regular CK1 cocoa butter, as you can see, just sitting over there upside down. I would say spicy sandalwood scent, so sandalwood, cinnamon, a few other things, maybe a few citruses in there. Very nice, very masculine, and one I actually quite like. It's one of the ones on PAA, which is actually quite strong. This is a good sort of at least 7 out of 10 for its scent strength, from the soap at least. So we're using Edwin Jagger TE89 head with a super nail handle from Razor Rock. In there we've got a soap everywhere. There's a Nacet blade. I think it'd be like this will be like its fourth use, I do believe. So I hope you're all doing okay, having some good shaves and enjoying them. I certainly am. I've been really enjoying all the new soaps and stuff that I've currently purchased, and I've got a few more things. By the time this goes out, I've probably got my PAA unboxing, the last one, with a new razor and a couple of soaps in there on the channel. So I haven't while recording it, but by the time this goes up live, I would have probably put the unboxing of the PAA new stuff, if that makes sense. So let's go on with the first pass. Okay, first pass. Beautiful scent, really is woody. I would say a creamy sandalwood, cinnamon, definitely some sort of citruses as well in there, but predominantly a sort of woody and spicy scent. Very nice. It's a homage to something, I'm not quite sure what. From what I remember, I saw what it's supposed to resemble, and I don't remember that scent at all, so hence why I probably can't remember what it's actually supposed to be a copy of. I think it's an old scent that doesn't exist anymore, but I mean, you can get scents that smell similar to this still. It's down the line of, I would say, Calvin Klein Obsession. It's that kind of type of smell. You know, I'm not keen on Calvin Klein Obsession, but this is definitely better, but it's in the sort of ballpark. I mean, CK6 formula is all good and well, but look at this. This is the regular CK1. Super strong scent. I would actually go up on one. I'd say this is a good 8 out of 10 in its scent strength. It's definitely really easy to smell, probably filling the room up. Definitely one of the stronger, more nicer, more cologne-y, and more masculine scents of PAA. Yeah, very good. Slickness is amazing. This is why I back a lot of artisans that do vegan stuff, because there's no need for animal fats or any sort of fats, animal fats in a shaving soap, when you can get it this good without harming anything. And this technically isn't their best soap. Yeah, look at the results. You know, you got like Wickham's as well, then many others, Hags do one, and there's loads of sort of vegan ones. Razor Rock, most of Razor Rock are vegan as well. You know, there's no need to do animal butters or animal fats anymore. Oh, super slick soap, absolutely super slick. Oh, that scent, it's almost a little, I think sort of how Old Spice used to be, but be a bit more creamier. Yeah, like I do like a heavy sandalwood to Old Spice. That's pretty much sort of where this sits, in my opinion. So, relather for my second and final pass. Oh, look at this stuff. Beautiful. There we go. Scent is just getting stronger, to be fair. The more you put that on, fingers full, just better and better and stronger it gets. To be honest, it's one of the strongest. This particular one is one of the strongest soaps with strength, scent, strength that I own, to be honest. There's many that's this pungent in the cologne smell. So get on with my second and final pass. Okay. I like doing these when I put a video up and it just says, see, for like this one, PAA, so was it the Sundown shave, then generally that means this is going to be my first shave with the product, or at least that particular scent. And then you'll see later on that I put on ones that say what razor I've got or brush I've got with whatever like soap I've got. That's normally videos where I'm using the product again, but you know, so look, this one, for example, this one will be named PAA Sundown shave. Then any time you see after that with this soap, it'll be like using Merca 41C and Sundown soap, or Sundown soap and a certain brush or something like that. But first time I ever use something, I like to have like a PAA Sundown shave. That's generally how I like to sort of, and it's just for me, you know, to see what I've used, what I haven't used, when I look at my playlists. So now you know that. Yeah, let's see a video of mine come up and it says a Razor Rock, I don't know, whatever soap name, shave. You know, that's the first time I'm going to be using that soap. And normally it's That's when I own the aftershave splash as well. This blade really goes well. With the DE89 head. Super sort of mild and smooth, yet efficient. I'll probably bin this blade now. This is his 4th or 5th use, something around there. Just in case. What I don't like is starting a shave and realise the blade is going off and have to change it halfway through the shave. No, can't be bothered with that. I'll have maybe 4 or 5 shaves out of the blade, and then I'll make sure on the sort of 4th or 5th I get rid of them. Some people use them like once, so that's a bit of a waste personally. Nice, perfect. That scent strength is ramped up. It is really quite strong. So, with that, I'm going to use the rest of whatever's in the brush, which is a fair bit. Some on the end there. And I'm going to have a nice relaxing face wash. And I'll come back after I've washed this off, washed out all my gear, and I come back for the post shave. Yeah, fantastic. The skin feels nice and hydrated when I hold this out. It's not dry, it's not overhydrated, but it feels really good. Nice cushion to that soap. That's what I say. You don't need the CK6 really. CK1 is good enough, more than good enough. But of course, some of the soaps that come out are only CK6 formula, which is fine. I'll buy those. If I can get something in the CK1, I will get so, because that, for me, that soap is perfect anyway. So, excuse me. Sundown. I have removed the restrictor, so it is just open. And yes, you get a bit more through quickly. You might waste a bit. I generally don't waste it. There we go. Oh, I'm sure there's a bit of menthol in this. You just smell it. Oh yeah. Oh yes, definitely a little bit of something. I'll have a look in a minute. Oh, it's definitely a menthol in that. Oh, definitely a menthol. Oh, I love a menthol as well. So not only has it got that lovely scent, but really strong menthol. Well, strongish. Okay. Ooh, that's made my face tingle. Not in a bad way. It's the obviously the menthol hit on that. See, no restrictor on it. Ugly touched it, so I take the restrictor out just for personal thing. I have done with all of them, but I have kept them in case I change my mind. I can pop them back in. So Sundown, Yes, menthol is the last ingredient. So there is definitely menthol in that. So and you can tell, smell it. So quick recap. As in Jagger D89 head with a Razor Rock super nail handle. On that, I love that handle, really good. So, Sundown soap on PAA, the original sort of CK1 formula, still good. I'd go for the CK1 every time if I can, but really good. Again, it's sort of spicy sandalwood kind of sort of scent, putting it simply. Real good. And with my Amber Aerolite, made a beautifully fantastic and amazing lather from this soap. I just went with this because it's sort of matching colour, similar. So had a face wash with the lather after the shave. And that had a Nacet blade in the razor on its last use, so I'm going to be chucking that in my blade bank, which is a the Lucky Tiger tins. You can get like a set in, so it's just like a tin. I put all my blades in there, which is sitting right here. Then finished off again with a splash, a good splash of Sundown by PAA aftershave splash. So that's it. That's my shave for today. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did the shave. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, would really help me out, and I'll see you again soon on the next one.